Before filming, make sure that you clean the lens, as the lens tends to gather a lot of dust, and this may mean that you need to remove any case that the phone is in. Once cleaned, clip the phone back into the tripod and prepare to film. In order to ensure that your phone is stable whilst filming, it's always recommended to place your tripod onto a flat surface and clip the phone into the tripod. Adjust the brightness on the phone by pressing on the screen. Make sure that you have a full shot to start with before filming. If you were struggling with bad audio, there are mics that you can buy as add-ons to your smartphone, like this lapel mic. Clip the lapel mic into your t-shirt with it front facing upwards so that it captures the best audio quality. Then clip the mic into the iPhone and prepare to film. There are other audio recorders that you can use and adapt, so you can put the lapel mic into this audio recorder and have it located in your pocket as opposed to having it plugged into the iPhone. Always ensure that flight mode is turned on to disable any notifications or calls. Then go to your settings and find the camera options. In camera settings, make sure that the grid setting is turned on and check the quality that you're filming in, preferably the highest quality available and at 240 frames per second. Then go back to the camera icon, turn to video mode and adjust the brightness ready for filming. Press record when you're ready. When filming inside, it is best to use as much natural light as possible. Add some movement to your footage to create greater depth of field and to show your audience more about your environment and the object or artifact that you are filming. Tilt the phone upwards to show a better range of motion and show the object in a lot more detail. When moving the phone on the tripod, you might have to change the brightness and adjust it where necessary. Do this manually by pressing on the screen. Following on from brightness and controlling the exposure on the screen, touch the darker areas where there's shadows in order to automatically change the exposure on your phone. You may want to do some extreme close-ups and zoom onto an object or artifact, and this will show greater detail to your audience. Again, adjust the brightness where necessary and give a slight panning shot around the area that you are filming. Thinking about the composition of your footage and film that you're creating, do not film the back of the plane as it will look flat. Film the side and consider the rule of thirds in your composition. Think about the depth that you're going to create by movement and having the plane in your shot at an angle. Continue to develop this idea of panning and height in your footage. Pan across diagonally to give a more dynamic look and also to show your audience the scale in which you are filming. Continue to add movement to your film by gradually providing a close-up shot by walking towards an artifact. Think about this camera tilt shot, which is when you move your camera up and down on a vertical axis. And it is similar to a pan shot, but only vertical, showing the height of an object. When filming outside, begin with a full shot. This composition will show the entire structure of the object and give the audience a full frame shot of the environment so that they can understand where they are and what type of location it is. And then use a medium shot. This will show just the object in front of you and a small amount of the environment that it is in. It will be closer than a full shot and give more detail so that the viewer can gain a clear insight of what it is that you are filming. In order to give your outdoor object or artifact a dynamic and exciting shot, use a tracking shot. You can follow the object or move around it, holding the tripod with the smartphone securely, giving movement to your shot that excites the audience and allowing them to see the scale